close, yeah.
Carolina Bruins, that's going on
Islanders
right
and
now.
Flyers, man.
Flyers, that should be a tough game. That should be a tough game. Predators will.
Not this side.
Ah, terrible rebound. Control it.
2-16. Double A line.
He's a big kid.
Yeah, she's aggressive, fearless.
Nice play. Settle the puck. Come on. Go. We're like lethargic today. What the heck was with these kids?
Well, the ref, like, when we all went to go to the top of the break, the ref was talking to the we talked to her.
Stand up to him. That's all. Move the puck. What was it, Vinny? Out of the zone. Neutral. Get it. Dump. Dump. Slot. Slot. That's it. That's it. Take the other man, Aiden. That's it. Play the puck now. Luca, back in the slot, Luca. Move the puck. Move the puck. Offside?
I forgot about half it.
Stay down. Big body. Move. Move.
To go see it on Tuesday.
Almost hit the ref. Yeah.
Yeah, I read like 6th grade. I forgot it. I remember yeah, I know. It's better now. Good change. Yeah, it was really good. I talked to my friends. I was like, the animals talk in the first movie.
Yeah, turnover though.
And there was other animals. And I'm like, oh, I like their talk. And my friend thought I was crazy. They were monkeys. But they didn't talk. But then like 10 minutes later, other animals came, they talked.
Make a move. Oh. Just the puck, guys. Come on.
I hear a blur.
One chance. Drive. There you go.
Oh, I don't know. That was last year, I think. That was different. Yeah, they were like, yeah.
Let it go.
Yeah.
Play the puck, Aiden. Don't look. Play the puck. Break out. Go. Shoot.
Yeah, but it's going to use like all the way come on the netball. They're really far out.
Shoot.
I knew
A little shot.
Shoot. Yeah. There it is. Nice. And hold up pressure. Taking out the dinner. Move, Wanamaker. There we go. Oh, thanks. Turning it over. Come on. It's on. It's on. Settle it. Skate. Skate, Dakota. Nice play. Whoa! Regroup. Slow down. Come on, Billy, you had time. What? Get it. What the heck was that? The glass edge of it?
Where's the other one?
Go. That's it. That's a 4-check.
I'm just playing.
Send it.
There's only one, basically 2 lines.
Chasing Jack. Chasing.
Is that a dot?
Nice play. Wide chance. Wide. Yeah. Cut to the net. Shoot. He's gonna dump it. Whistle. He's hurt.
It's not even working.
You have to play on Wi-Fi. What? You have to play on Wi-Fi.
What do you mean?
You don't have to play on Wi-Fi.
I know I want to get Clumsy Ninja, and I don't have any
Send it. There you go.
Sure, I have air hockey, hair salon, photo apps.
Get the puck to the slot.
I'll play heads up. I know, but you and Devin can play heads up. Okay, hold on. He knows how to do it.
Shoot. Good play. Pick him. So. Cookie, get there. Stick down. Good cycle. Block the shot, guys. There you go. Chip it. And go to the net. Well, what's that? What was the whistle? It was very close to. Whoa, nice hit. Settle it. Move the puck. Platz, stack down, Platz. That's icing again. He waved it off?
Big waste. Wasted a kid's spot on the team.
There.
He went up to this guy, that's where he lives. And he made a quit.
Back up.
Yeah,
Back up. Hit him.
He brought him down here, put him in front of another coach's face.
Bench is open. Watch
Last
out.
day of tryout.
No, I know.
That's it, no, simple. Poke that puck. Hustle, come on. Good job, Alti. Keep him on there. Block it. Come on, skate with the puck. What are you doing? Just throwing it. That's icing. I don't know. Never made it.
I guess they're trying to match this coach.
Freeze it.
Chase each other.
Go. What are you doing? Don't stand in his way. Regroup.
Really short leg.
Send him.
Lands on his face. Funny.
Stand him up. Stand him up. It's on there. Cycle it, boys. Shoot. Shoot. Oh, you're kidding me. Couldn't stuff it in. Look, Lance, look. Wide open middle. Take care of him. Settle. High slot he's going. Alright. Chase that puck. Back up.
Burger? It's in England! The ruler of England! What is it called? Burger!
Lance, play the puck. Freeze it. Oh, she didn't tell anybody.
I beat him.
Good puck movement. Chip it. Chip it.
Alright, who's up, guys? Taylor, you're up. Probably when he was going down.
Good job. In front of that shot. Get in front of it.
Yeah, you drift in and angle your body.
Icing.
He had a good angle if it was a tip off his body, shin pad or whatever. He was in the past. He's been standing too much in front of the crease. You know what I'm saying? Blocking shots out,
Come on, icing it, Dakota.
You go to the back Yes. Can I go next? You do this. Can I do this next? This girl is on. You fly it. 70. That's high.